Hi guys, so today I'll be talking about the significance of spending some time in nature for one's mental clarity and mental growth. I live in a very crowded place. It is full of buildings and sky gazing is a far cry for me. I actively looked for ways to connect to nature somehow. I found this used to be barren land has now been filled with some trees. I decided to spend some time simply letting myself be in the present and staring at the wonders of nature. I observed the ants hustling 24/7, and I thought that we humans are doing the same thing but in a greater magnitude. We're in this constant train of life, but we do not really know where the next stop is. So as I contemplated on this, I actually decided to get off this train of life and to pause for a moment. As I did this, I think I got a little bit closer to what you could call egolessness or timelessness. I did not get rid of my mental chatter completely, but at least it was a lot better when I took some time off. I've experienced that taking some time out of this endless train of thought and also endless train of activities in life is a lot more beneficial, even to boost your productivity. This is something that I've observed for myself. Whenever I take a short break and then work, I can actually look for the major problems and look for ways to solve them rather than being stuck up on small minor problems. However, we humans tend to neglect the things that are easily available for us. Therefore, I'd like to suggest every one of you to take some time out of your busy schedule and to simply take some time to reflect on who you actually are. When I did this activity, I felt that I was actually connecting to my source, or the one, or God if you will. I felt like all the problems that I generally pointed out to myself in my life were somewhat trivial, considering the fact that the present moment was a lot more precious than worrying about the past or the future. The animals also taught me lessons. Some animals taught me to simply live in the moment and not worry about the future, while some taught me that hustling is important, but then it is really important to take some time out if you are to avoid a burnout or a lot of stress. Moreover, I was also gifted a small money plant sapling by a friend of mine, and this is the small garden that I own at this moment. And I found that even watering this plant every day gives me a sense of responsibility and gives me a sense of peace, because I feel like I'm accountable for a living being's life. Moreover, I also feel a sense of pride, but without ego, that I'm actually helping a living being to grow. And as I see this plant growing, it gives me a sense of achievement as well. Hence, it does not really matter whether you have easy access to nature or not. You can always look out for ways to connect to nature in your own scale. Hence, when you truly want to connect to nature, I discovered that you can always find ways to do so. No matter how much I praise this activity, it will still be an understatement. So I'd recommend each one of you to do this practice. Take some time out of your life, even if you are very busy, and you'll find that your busyness will become more productive. After trying this experiment, you can share with us as to how you felt after doing this through the comment section below. Also, if you like whatever is happening here, please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Until next time.